performed the regular technical inspection check mark on 7.5 100 miles here on my Kawasaki 900 LT, and this is, I'm going to say, I'm using this Pitbull universal front jack stand. So I'm about to show you how we'll use it right now. The front stand, Pitbull universal front stand, is working for this Kawasaki 900 LT model. It stands, but I'm not so sure about the steady of this standing, so we need to be cautious about it, and always to hold it on with passenger sitting on the motorcycle. Alright, let's get started with the oil change. We can get access to the oil plug, and yes, I can see it here it is. I can see it clearly. It's blacking out, so first of all, preferably I will clean it out from the dust and grease and build up. Let's see, up this oil plug. I have applied some loosener spray anti-rust here, and I will let it work for a couple of seconds. I don't know, maybe a minute, to see if I can open it up, break it in. To break up the oil plug, I just have applied the anti-rust spray, and for this, and always, I'm going to follow this explicit motorcycle manual that fits to our model. And here, which is most important part, we have to, for this engine oil drain plug, to follow the tightening the drain plugs. For I'm going to use a very precise tool, this performance tool, torque reversible range, which is already been set up to specific torque parameter, which is about Newton meters, or 100 inch per pound, 180 inch per pound. Here, as you can see, it was already set upon those parameters. So now I'm going to apply this range accurately to the engine oil plug. Up in second. Now it's loose. Absolutely. 1 second to torque. 1 second. Amazing too. Amazing. Nice range. And now I need to change the position to closing the oil plug with the same torque range, 70 mils, like I said. Thank you. Yeah, I have drained all oil out from here, and now this oil plug is still loose. I'm going to tighten up one simple touch of the torque range and change the oil filter, which I'm going to accomplish with this torque range, reversible range. To be precise, this is not the torque range, and the 10 mils of the tip. I'm going to use this Kawasaki stock oil filter, and let's get started.